one
I go sing
this one
for
question
you.
mark.
You go sing for me. Eminado. Me, I we don't talk about Ricardo Ball.
Yes, so
Yeah.
thank God say he graduated.
Yeah.
Nobody even
Nobody
knows
knows
say
say
school,
they
you don't even make
school.
noise.
For dead things.
You don't even make so I know say
Congratulations anyway.
I know say one time when he still there with Terry G, the time when he there with Terry G, where he dropped that in first single. I know say he do one show for Unilag and Larry Foreman, now him be the guy there and they always tell me
The
about
hype
he
man.
get one guy where
Yeah.
now student and but I don't know until when Ricardo Banks can't deal with maybe I go, oh, okay, yeah, when
the
they play the
person
song,
wey
okay,
dem
now
dey
the
talk about.
person be this because yes, because in posters there everywhere for school that time.
So
I don't even know, say
congratulations
now.
to him.
Yeah, we say
Yeah,
congratulations.
yeah.
We are proud of you.
Congratulations.
Yes, we're very proud of you.
Very,
so
very
congratulations. Say you don't actually collect your results. For you were there out there, you feel say and you want to enter music, so make you just leave school. No, say people where they make up for inside the music, that they go school.
Yes.
They're not come out for school at all. Davido, not be Davido come outside the other day talk.
Are
say,
you
even
kidding?
though say I get all the
Project.
money, I don't finish school.
You know the difference with person where go school and the person will just feel say, you know what, I just want to enter studio sing a day because when you go school you will understand the business
True.
side.
More.
But once you be say you just be gbogbo follow come, you're not to just go sing. You don't even know who
And
signed
the
you.
one
You
wey
don't know
still
the
dey baffle
contract.
me till today, till tomorrow. Now, Kiss Daniel will graduate with first
First
class.
class.
Ah, that boy, I caught
That
you
one still
very
they
fine.
trip me like pieces.
Woju master. Anyway, on that note, we welcome you come today. Today's show goes sweet well because we get two wonderful guests who go join us inside the studio. And don't forget that today will be our family day every Wednesday. Now family day on Top Talk. And then we get cook of the day, we get waiting day hot, and we also get body kaja. My name is Siriman Uvi Ehigamusoy, and the ladies, them beautiful ladies, hard-working ladies, going to docker themselves one by each.
Now wash. Anyway,
If I not do one, they go say I not do
my
one.
name na Betiana Umweli. Una welcome to Talk.
CNN level.
Yeah, she just do all like so all read news. And my name.
I don't before then I don't really day used to we washing. So anytime she just started the washing, I would just say,
I will not do it again.
no, continue to the wash. I say they wash my they wash
Amaka,
me.
for your mouth.
If you not say you wear, make sure you no wash us.
Try.
Me, I know say your partner soldier.
Anyway, my name is
I told you I soldier too.
my name no change. Make I just
Civilian
don't call
soldier.
myself. And now Amaka Okudia for my name B. When we wash we finish, it go still remain Amaka Okudia for.
Okay, at this point I go say when you won't wash, they call name. Because
Okay.
they say you they wash because you been the hail
I tell you.
and hype, but now you don't turn to wash.
Now wash because she know they consistent. Now when it enter her head, she
Okay,
go,
where you go yesterday, you explain that one. Now there my own name still remain Queen B. Obalo.
I go pack
I leave
plenty
am for
pure
better
water
now
come.
today.
You go back plenty.
Yes,
water.
because you know say we dey always talk say pure water not pure water not pure.
Excuse
so,
me, it's not pure water, it's sachet water.
Okay, sachet water.
Yes.
No, pure water.
Pure water. Pure water, demon. I don't know
Dey more
that sachet water. You English
What
there.
pure comes in a sachet?
pure.
Because you they see everything. It's pure.
All right, so make we dig into wetin dey hot. I been plenty pure water for Nasha.
All right, thank you.
Always they
I'll carry
bring
water go as
Because
design
they
and
bring
they come
things
back.
come, they carry
I feel
pure
like
water
Davido
come.
and the Aye song. Bring pure water come.
You Betiana. The Lord will surprise you very soon.
Oh, amen.
Hallelujah.
All right, the great times are waiting day hot. Now, our first story for today, this one concerns actress Anne Njemanze, where her husband don't beat her. I don't even understand. This beating still they exist? Now, Anna Domitila, right?
Yes.
Domitila.
for that-
Remember the girl we played
that
Domitila?
Domitila, yes.
And even from T-Cell, she pay
Now she be
captain
the
something. One of the
police,
one of the
private
police.
investigator, Sha.
So now, from waiting with the actually year, she and her husband of 6 months, I be 6 months, be 8
Yeah.
months, they don't actually do it in, they don't separate. And they talk saying that because of fighting and beating all the way to the extent say she dey even wounded her. Now, they say for inside our society, matured ladies with few millions, they find them difficult to marry the kind of man a way woman supposed marry. A man where they okay, a man where they older than you, because this man where she marry actually she they older than the man.
Okay.
She they older than the man, and man will go feel respect your work and still respect you. But for this particular woman,
No work.
It no work for her because this man, the man beat her, the man not even respect her, and to the extent she don't actually leave this man. And we hear say this one actually her third marriage.
Third or second?
Third marriage. No, actually her third marriage.
Okay, yes.
Because
she married before the Domitila Paro. Yes, she been done married.
She married Segun Arinze.
Yes.
Actually, Segun Arinze is her first husband, which
yes.
she get children with.
Yes.
She married the second one before she come marry this last one,
yes,
which she actually senior. And they say sadly, and she don't learn her lesson the hard way. They say the young man who married her and moved into her own apartment, say the man don't come out with everything. After everything, which she actually do for the man. So I want to actually ask you this question. When second husband don't they beat you, that one has sign say you get problem because let's face the fact, this is not actually a third marriage. Does it mean there is something wrong with Anne where we don't know? Third marriage. Segun Arinze leave her. The second one leave her.
The third one.
So take this one started they beat her, he come off for house.
Maybe why is Christmas?
You know, me, they even think say not two before. I can't just the reason and now say yes. During the after she leave Segun Arinze will be yes, she marry.
Yes.
She do low key, but she don't make her noise. But
yes.
this one, if like say she come say, okay, you know what? Now me get my life. She come do white wedding.
Yes.
But I don't understand what thing they happen. Maybe marriage not be for you because seriously, I just feel say marriage not be for everybody. Your papa and your mama they married no mean say it dey for you. You feel no learn the institution of marriage because that institution are very you got to respect them. But I don't want to say na her fault now because this one are like the third husband. I don't want to say na her fault because we no go know wetin be the problem. If it be something where be spiritual, I know if you carry mouth go spiritual and waiting we know they see. I know be spiritual, but I believe in the spiritual world. You understand? So I respect that. But for me, I go say just Palemo, you know. When I say Palemo, means say just face your children.
Have children, yeah.
Just forget about men for now. Take your time. Look for somebody who understand. That's if you have to marry. But for me, I feel say no rush. You don't born two children. The first husband, God forbid, say I divorce today. I tell you, I go face my pikin. Forget about anything called marriage because the care where they take beat you the first time. If you know dance where they go see and flog you the second time, so no need. For me, I think that she wouldn't stretch on too much. But no, just bother.
Why? Well, in fact, I not to get plenty to talk for. I just feel bad. Say you've married the first one, married the second one, and still they beat you for almost all the ones. No, if he really get sign if he did there, without we know if he see the sign. Something if he did there, I don't go tell him she go spiritual. But yes, she might need to go spiritual. But at the same time, true, she need to check herself aside from the spiritual thing. Whether her character they wrong somewhere, or she just they attracted to the kind of guys where they beat women. Yeah, the wrong ones. And at the same time, yes, as Kimbi talk, marriage, if you see say you don't do it first time, second time, third time, you know they work for you. Relax. The time we go work for you, go soon come.
For me, I know too much know about her first and second marriages. I know too much know about her as a person. So I know if you say, okay, maybe not she there with the problem, or no be she there with the problem, or maybe not the men now actually there with the problem. But one thing I know be say when you there inside relationship, if you there any failed relationship, any failed marriage, if at first it no work, that's one of two things. Now either say you learn from them, or you go become more desperate. For me, from what I see, I go say she don't dey much more desperate because after the first marriage, the second marriage, the third marriage, and then under 6 months, they say the man carry everything when she gets run. So it did very obvious. Okay, maybe she did desperate because number one, she married her junior. Not be crime. Say you marry a person where you they older than as a woman. But then after you marry the person, I dey wonder within 6 months how you take get everything of hers where you go take.
Then the guy self.
Then he go yes. Now where they go next? You go come to say the guy no actually love him. The guy just pretend all the while he get plans. Now like a sugar boy. In know what in day after in plan and strategize, and she they desperate enough not to see him. She not see everything with the guy they carry come and everything happen to her. But they pray say after this one, she go actually learn. Love no be about age. You fit date 50, 70 and still you they crave for that one person, that companion where you go eventually say, okay, I won't actually date with this person. So no be matter of okay, she don't born children, make she face them. The children no fit take place of man for her life.
101% yes.
So yes,
just take time, learn what's in happen.
She need to position herself, learn herself, accept herself first before she go accept another person.
No, really, Una don't actually talk everything because if first marriage not work out, and then when first marriage collapse, we hear saying a beating Shego Arize and whatever. And Shego Arize, they don't marry for many years now, and still
with the second
wife.
They don't get almost 2 children again.
And we never hear anything about beating. Second marriage come, now so the second marriage take collapse. Third marriage come, and now with the year say the man they beat you. I can't imagine it. I don't feel imagine what
younger person they beat you. That's if the older ones no take him. The younger one, she thinks if he take him, and that's if now she get the problem.
No, at this point, may I just act like a human now? At this point, I would say she has a problem.
Yeah.
So she just needs to check herself. Because if she actually rush into, hey, I need a man by my side, I need a man by my side, and then anybody
go look like husband,
just come your way, go look like husband, then she go need to sit down like what I don't talk, all of us don't talk. She need to sit down, check herself, assess herself before she even get into another relationship.
Yeah.
I don't see older people marry younger person and they live happily.
Happily, yeah.
Why be say I won't go there different? I beg you get children, you need to just calm down. Enough of this too many G's. You want me to count 8 men follow you, say you don't marry them, and they leave you or they beat you. And she looks strong. That's why sometimes they thought say the one way they look strong, they're very soft inside.
Hey, you get me sorry.
Sarah,
Princess.
Yes.
I did hear you.
I did hear you too.
Use your name, hear me. Well done.
All right. What do you think about this particular one? Our Domitila and Njemanze. Enter Twitter. Go talk about them. Enter Twitter, put your mouth inside them, at TalkTalk We're going to need to buy a small break right about now. When we come back, our first guest go enter inside the studio. You want to know who the guest be?
Stay tuned.
The guest get connection with them really.
Uh-oh.
Will they come back?
Deggy.